A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter which is pronouns. So, students, you already know that the pronouns are those words which are used at the place of noun. Okay, but right now we are going to understand the various classifications of pronoun. Okay, so if I talk about the various classification of pronoun, it goes like this that and these classifications are personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, integrative pronoun, relative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, possessive pronoun, and if I talk about this particular thing, part A, personal pronoun. So pronoun used as subject and pronoun used as object. So देखो इसमें करना क्या exactly? What exactly we have to do? We have got these set of numbers from number 1 to number 10. So these all are examples of pronoun from here to point number 10. But these are from a specific kind of pronoun. So here we have to understand which pronoun is called. Like suppose there is I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So what kind of pronoun this one is? So let me tell you one thing. Okay, just try to understand what happens. Here it says Here it says keep personal pronoun take place take the place of common and proper noun. Take the place of common and proper noun. So if you remember what is proper nouns are name of person. ठीक है ना? For example, there is Abhishek, there is the name of a boy, name of a girl, maybe it's Narendra Modi, maybe someone else. So this is something that happens, okay? And the second is reflexive pronoun. If I talk about this reflexive pronoun, reflexive pronoun shows that the action done by the subject returns to it. ठीक है, मीन्स द डूअर पे ही जो है लाइक वो यूज होता है रिफ्लेक्सिव वाला पार्ट. ठीक है. And if I move for demonstrative pronouns point out the objects to which they refer. ठीक है, means they emphasize, they keep focus on the objects that they refer to. Okay, you'll get clear with the concept with examples. Okay, so don't worry for that, just read it out. Next is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns introduce a clause to a noun or pronoun preceding it. Introduce a clause to a noun or pronoun preceding it. ठीक है. Next is distributive pronoun. Refers to things one at a time. Refers to things one at a time. Clear? And next is emphatic pronouns. Are used to emphasize the subject by whom the action is done. The action is done. Clear? Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. किसके लिए यूज होते हैं? They are used to ask questions. Possessive pronouns express ownership. Possessive pronouns express ownership. Clear? So here you can see the multiple noun pronouns as I told you. So here if I talk about tell me the nouns which are used as the play at the place of proper noun or common noun. So you may say that sir, there are a lot of things that I, we, you, he, she, they, it. These are nouns which can be used at the place of proper noun. So how? For example, I say that my name is Adil, and I say that I am Adil. So yeah, like here you can see that this noun, for this noun we are using another word I. Okay. So that's why this is a group of personal pronoun. Similarly, if I talk about let's say कि point number 4, this, that, these, those, these are the groups of demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because यहाँ पे denote करने की बात होती है. यहाँ पे like we have read it ना, point out the object which they refer, this object, that object. So that's why this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronoun. Then is like if I talk about mine, yours, hers, his, its, ours, theirs, these are reflexive pronouns. No, sorry, these are possessive pronouns. This one. Why these are possessive pronouns? Because these nouns express ownership. Ownership means they are owner. For example, if I say that this pen is mine, this pen is mine, तो this pen is mine में mine word क्या क्यों आ रहा है? This mine word is there because to emphasize कि ये पेन मेरी ही है. ठीक है, सो दैट्स वाई ओनरशिप आ रहा है. तो ये जो पार्ट होता है माइन, योर्स, हर्स, हिज, इट्स, आवर्स, देयर्स, ये ओनरशिप के लिए भी यूज होता है. ठीक है, क्लियर, गुड. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दीज टू नाउन्स, reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns, these nouns are similar kind of things. Okay, these are used for emphasis and these are used for to show the reaction done, cause of the action done by the subject to it. ठीक है, so here this myself, yourself, you, herself, himself, and again myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, these both are the examples of reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Clear? And if I talk about the distributive pronoun, here you can see it, distributive pronoun. So the examples of distributive pronouns are each, every, either, neither, or either, neither, whatever you call. Clear? So these are the examples of distributive pronoun. Now you can see one more thing, that the in point number 1, in point number 5, you can see who, whose, whom, which, that, and again who, whom, whose, which, what. So every word is similar, just one word is different, that is that and what. So tell me, so the thing is that why is it so? Here you can see integrative pronouns. So in integrative pronouns, you can see the question words. That's it. You can see the question words. So who, whom, whose, which, what are the question words. Clear? But that is not a question word, no? So that's why if I talk about this particular thing, part number 1, who, whose, whom, which, that. So these are relative pronouns. These are relative pronouns. Clear? So in such a way we can say that what we have gone through is actually the classification of the pronouns. Okay, good. So today you have got some task. The work is, there is a passage going through, and in this passage you have to find which are personal pronoun and the place, and name the noun or at which this personal pronoun has been used. कहने का मतलब ये है कि आप इस पैसेज को पढ़ोगे तो आपको यहाँ समझ में आएगा कि प्रोनाउन का यूज़ हुआ है, उस प्रोनाउन की जगह पे कौन सा नाउन चाहिए, कौन सा पर्सनल प्रोनाउन चाहिए. हाँ, वो उस पर्सनल प्रोनाउन की जगह पे कौन सा नाउन चाहिए वो आपको मेंशन करना है. ठीक है. सिमिलरली अभी मैंने आपको पॉजिटिव केस बताया है, तो पॉजिटिव केस को ध्यान में रखते हुए यू हैव टू डू दिस पार्ट नंबर C. ठीक है. एंड अगेन वन मोर पार्ट. ठीक है. इन इंट्रोगेटिव में मैंने आपको ये मेंशन किया कि हु इज़ देयर, विच इज़ द हाउस, व्हाट आर दोज हुज आर दैट प्लेन. इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए यू हैव टू डू दिस लेट्स क्रैक इट का पार्ट नंबर A. Clear? So students, you have got this homework. Thanks a lot for the day.